8 in the morning, he comes in from the garden, finds the best light in the whole house, and shakes. Every single day. For years, I chased him around with a cloth in my hand. This year, I finally stopped chasing him. So here's the deal I made with myself. I am not going to ask him to shed less or to wipe his own paws at the door. Nothing about him changes. $30,000 pascals and 2 rubber brushes instead of bristles, so long hair gets pulled straight through instead of wrapping around them. I have not hair off a brush with a pair of snizzers since the day this arrived. Mud is the hard one. It dries, it sticks, and a cold cloth just smears it around. This one finds the patch, heats the water, and scrubs that exact spot 200 times a minute until the tile underneath comes back. It can tell a dry mess from a wet one, and it goes back over the bad patch on its own instead of doing one polite pass. That is the part I did not expect to care about, and now I rely on it completely. The camera in the front bumper reads the floor a long way ahead. Cables, slippers, the ball he left in the doorway, and yes, the accident he had as a puppy. It sees all of them, and it steers around them. This is the part that changes everything when you have animals. The roller washes itself with hot water while it cleans, and the dirty water is scraped straight back off, so it never spreads yesterday's mess into today's room. When it feels carpet underneath itself, the mop lifts up and a cover slides over it, so the rug gets vacuumed and never soaked. Which matters a lot because that rug is apparently hers and I only rent it from her. Every dog owner knows this gray line along the wall, right where he sleeps every afternoon. 2 side brushes and a roller that reaches outwards means it cleans properly into the corner instead of politely driving past it. It builds a proper 3-dimensional map of the flat, so I can send it to one room instead of the whole house. His corner gets cleaned twice a day. The spare room gets cleaned when somebody finally comes to visit. Then it cleans the thing that cleaned up after my dog. The base empties it, washes the roller hot, and dries it with warm air, so it never goes back under the sofa, damp and smelling like an old wet towel. The bag has active carbon in it, which is the whole difference between storing dust and storing dog. And it holds about 3 months of him in there. So I touch the thing roughly 4 times a year. This was the real test, honestly. He is frightened of the hairdryer, the blender, and the postman. He sleeps straight through this one. It works around his paws in the dark, and nobody in this room has to get up. Honest part. It is not cheap, and it will not do your stairs for you. But it takes the daily job away completely. And with a dog that sheds and a cat that judges, daily is the only thing that ever mattered here. Same dog, same light, same shake. The only difference is that I get to stand here and finish my coffee. If you live with someone who sheds, the link to this one is right below the video. Enjoy your mornings.